Hi everyone, it's Tiffany here to do a recap. mRNA was on my list this morning. I sat on my hands for the first 15 minutes. Things were a little crazy for me this morning and I couldn't find any of my strategies to trade. As you can see on this 15-minute candle right here, the wicks on it, nothing was setting up really well for me. So I waited until after that 15-minute candle closed. And so if you're in the chat, chances are you've heard Thor talk about his tinfoil line. In short, it is the top and the bottom of the 8 a.m. candle. And that just so happened to be 76.98 and 74.60. Funny, it is trading right here at this bottom tinfoil line right now as we speak. So anyhow, it went up and rejected this level nicely. And then there was a really strong bear candle, 5-minute, 2-minute, and it was an engulfing 5-minute candle. And once that closed below the VWAP and engulfing, when it came back and tested the VWAP, I went short. My risk was above the VWAP, and I took partials on the way down at the bottom or below the previous 5-minute candle. Really, my goal was to make it to this 72.52, which was the low of the pre-market, and I had another level marked down here at this 70.61, but honestly, I didn't think it was going to make it down there. So I was very pleased that it did. I partialed heavy at this 72.52 level, and then realized it wasn't done. So I left some shares to get down there, and so it came back up. Then I saw it was possibly making a double bottom. It was really holding this as a support. So I exited most of my position at this second when it came down and touched this level the second time. I left. It was maybe 2% of my shares, just to break out at even, because who knew? I didn't know if it was going to come back up and test the VWAP or whatever. And that's it. It did. It came up, funny enough, came up and stopped me out right at the tinfoil line and ended up going back down for a little bit. But anyhow, that was my trade today. If you have any questions, comments, any tips for me, I am still a work in progress. This was my one and only trade today. And I really appreciate everyone welcoming me as a Bear Bull Traders moderator. You guys are all so kind, and please message me with any questions, comments, or tips, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Happy trading.